This is the Grand Bali Hotel and it's lit to a time. And first to the circle is in the middle of the hotel by going onto the entrance.
These aren't even like typical store lifts. Parking.
At the left-hand side of the hotel, there's also an 18-floor tower, and at the right-hand side, there's a 53-floor tower. But sadly, none of them do the cross bridge. And first, into the 18th-floor tower and into the lifts, there which are two sets of big lifts and four sets of more lifts. And first into that tower, into the sets of two big lifts.
Look. So before I tell a thing, these lifts kind of look like fish and kebabs.
Barcelona best in Spain.
Yeah.
Going up. Why is that boy recording?
These kind of look like the port, like anti-polar caps.
You've seen lots of it.
No.
You've got stars, don't you?
9th floor. Yeah, we're not alive. Thank you. Oh, it's gone in. Careful.
Frick, thank you.
¿Cuántos pisos tiene este, no?
19.
Pero mola más la Torre Alta, que tiene 45, 43.
43.
Me va a hacer subir ahí con un colectivo.
Pero por el exterior.
19th floor.
Por el exterior.
Claro. Lo que le gusta a él. Cada uno. A él le gustan los ascensores, a otros el fútbol.
Claro. Vale.
Wait, do not get it. I was pressing the door close button. I was pressing the door close button, so I recommend you shouldn't get off. Whoa. These walls look like polar walls. Damn it, I'm less of battery. I couldn't film the 43 floor lifts. If it was just more to film the smallest and the 43 floor lifts, it would be better. Here our reception.
Next is the set for smallest in the 18 floors tower.
Now can we come to the small lifts? There are two of them at this floor. Much smaller. Still have puller cabs, and these go until 18. Just only for 4 persons. Yeah. Type of ceiling, still have the puller walls. Ugh. Ouch. It's like a fishing. These doors are kind of based off a fishing club lift. Skips 13. What the hell? No. That's a car reader. Huh? Hey, what the hell? Someone stopped at 11. Anyway, you got your name?
No, mantengo nell'altro.
It's reason why it is so small for them. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here you are, a reception.
And now we go along to the 43 floors tower. Sadly, I couldn't film the glass lifts because they were out of service because of too much air outside. And then I only could film the interior lifts. And then so here's the video of the interior lifts in the 43 floors tower.
So I can only film the interior lifts because the glass lifts are not working today. For some reason the glass lifts are stopped today and they don't work. No, indicator broken, the cap slip like this. This seems the last. Typical US from the UK. This is much faster than London Underground Metro Valencia. Metro Valencia like 5:9 when they go through Angel, Jimmer and the other stations.
Floor 43, planta 43.
Typical UK voice. Stop! Flick.
Metà las manos por eso.
Now it's time to go down to go out down to ground floor as my young camera just went out of battery.
se puede ver algo?
Oh well. Looks like we can't get into it last 15.
¿Y los ascensores esto que está fuera de servicio?
Oh well. Looks like they've made an update. The glass lifts don't work at daytime.
Estamos demasiado alto, vámonos por abajo.
What is the next lift? A, B, C, D. Ga.
Me da vértigo, antes no lo tenía, ¿verdad?
It's ready. The lift is blasting.
O sea, ahora me da no tuvo aquí vértigo el miedo de no me quiero acercar y de hacerme.
Floor 33, planta 33. Doors opening. Las puertas se están abriendo.
Let me do it, Daddy. You can see right there.
6 pavos me tienen que sacar partido para mi casa. 6 pavos se echan mis pastillas, ¿verdad? Tiene una hora mirando.
Reception. Recepción.
Wait.
Doors opening. Las puertas se están abriendo.
Just go.
Mum, let me help you. In the gravy.
So let's just go. Here's a reason. So I found the reason why the glass lifts weren't working today, because it's daytime and it doesn't work at night time. Anyway, sorry for the video, you guys enjoyed. That's it.